As the screen brightens, the camera pans over a picturesque town nestled among rolling hills. The warm glow of the sun paints the landscape in hues of orange and gold. The tranquil scene is interrupted by the rapid, rhythmic tapping of a typewriter. Voiceover. Welcome to our journey, a journey of new beginnings, of transitions, and of finding joy in the unexpected. This is our story, and we're glad you're here to share it with us. But before we dive in, let's make sure we're in this together. A YouTube subscription banner unfurls across the bottom of the screen. Voiceover. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. That way you won't miss a single moment of our adventure. Now, let's begin. In July 2021, I, along with my team, just came to know that we were going to move to a new place, somewhere quite bigger place in the town. When I shifted to this place, I exactly knew how to turn this bricky place into a home, and that's what I did. The next morning when I got up, I was able to see the new rays coming into the room, flourishing everything, helping me find inner peace, and causing a bundle of joy for me. Getting ready for the office, meeting with the people, deputies, and whatever about my soul was at the next level. With time, I noticed that days had been with quite small transitions to none. The 10th of July 2023, an evening when I got back to my room after spending a month away from my workplace, was quite tiring. I tidied up my room, arranged my closet, cleaned up my washroom, and then decided to get a good sleep, however failed. Staying up late at night made me realize that something was wrong, and I began to wonder, who knew that the worst was yet to come? Just when a few days passed with heavy routine and sleeplessness, a time came when I started feeling perpetually agitated. That was the right moment to evaluate the situation, and I came to know that it's been 2 years of holding the same space, with no transformation as the only excuse for my dullness, rages, and anxiousness. Now I was one step towards the solution. Exactly when I called myself, "Hey silly, let's make your space comfy, you can't wait to come back to it." And here is the journey of a passionate decor and DIY ambassador commenced. Settle in because this blog is going to blow your mind. Living in a good place impacts the mood of one living in it. That's why remodeling and decorating appealingly is necessary for adding life to dull places. We have numerous blogs, tutorials, and tapes considering DIY and home decor available on different social media sites. I started eyeing one after another. However, a common mistake people usually have to make is tackling every aspect independently, even DIYing first time in their lives. While doing small projects like painting, replacing, redecorating, and painting furniture can easily be done with less to no knowledge. But other projects like electrical, plumbing, etc. require in-depth knowledge or more practice to fix the problems. Here in my writing, I am going to reveal amazing tips and tricks. Especially if you're looking for true inspiration, this blog is bling. My focus will be on room decoration, DIY projects, styling, painting, and sketching. I will show you how a small dream comes true in a way that you will be able to showcase your ideation, your abilities, and your creativity with a limited budget and duration before the masses. One fine Saturday morning at the end of August, I got up with sparked energy to get the job done with zeal, style, and an aesthetic sense I'm imbued with. After exercising and having a shower, I was feeling fresh and ready to sketch my room on paper while taking small sips of apple juice. And that's how I started working on my project. My to-do list. 1. Design a sketch of the room. 2. Paint the room. 3. Replace the furniture. 4. Paint the furniture. 5. Clean up the chairs and room space. 6. List down items for DIY decor project. 7. Purchase the listed items. 8. Sew cushions and runners. 9. Hire a handyman. 10. Tidy up the room. 11. Assemble the room. Now I had an exact view of what I ought to do with a list in my hand, along with a sketch on a paper. I went to the market. I was feeling love while dragging the trolley in the mall from one section to another section, grabbing all the required items, small gadgets, and tools. I could easily feel that fun at the moment. I will have the day after today. Generously spending a good amount of money, I was back to my place. After shopping, carrying shopping bags, rushing into your house is no less than a godsend for a lady. Only women do understand. Now I was in a position to prioritize my chores to get accomplished. And exactly then, the moment of truth arrived, and I got myself ready to dirty my hands and outfit. I started painting my furniture foremost. I replaced my old one just a moment ago. Just after that, I painted my room's only wall I needed to be done and started working on my DIY small decorating projects, where I had to recycle a few items and transform them into eye-grab decoration pieces. DIYing after watching so many reels without any experience is sometimes a total mess because knowledge is only half the battle. So, my dear, it was a time to meet my failures and losses. And that's my biggest solidity. Now I was fully convinced that I was one step away from bringing home the bacon, because I'm used to behaving stringent after having disappointments and never giving up on my dreams and passion. I immediately put back a few notions with a new one and got amazing results. A handyman helped me resolve some electric issues, and the janitor assisted with cleaning. The best part was yet to attain: how to remodel and decorate the room after meeting all provisions to give it a cozy look. Now the helper started helping me put everything in the right position. And that's how my mission came to an end, with my relieved sighs and beautiful remarks, "You nailed it," by the people. In this journey of old to new, I had so many prospects and hustles in my way, as everyone faces while completing projects. Here are some noteworthy tips I'm sharing with people who are passionate about home decor and DIY as well. Influential tips? 1. Believe in your will. Don't underestimate your willingness. You can face unforeseen challenges with a strong belief in the Almighty and your willpower. 1. Streamline and take action. Always simplify the job to be done first. Make a to-do list and take prompt steps. You will surely meet the results. 1. Set realistic goals. You need to be very clear about the true nature of the project and what you are looking forward to having. A realistic finance and time management approach will help you to work efficiently with no delays in completion, fewer chances of failure, and frustration. 1. Be patient and stay committed. Social media sites present things in a very easy manner, just because they have knowledge as well as expertise in that field. However, when it comes to the approach on our end, it usually makes us impatient. Most of the time, people give up in the case. So you must have a plan B in case you don't have the desired outcome. 1. Ask for help. You don't need to be an expert in every single field. You can't be a plumber, technician, electrician, etc. at the same time. So if you need a handyman, feel free to ask for their expertise. Remember, don't try to do things in haste or overnight, otherwise it will be a jumble. Stay focused with the same commitment you had started the project. So here is the final look, my love. Thanks for watching.